हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द ब्राउनिंग वर्जन बाय टेरेंस रेटियन के क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, कमेंट ऑन द एटीट्यूड शोन बाय टेप्लो टुवर्ड्स क्रॉकर हैरिस। आंसर, क्रॉकर हैरिस इज मैन ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स. Taplow says that he is a strict teacher. As a teacher, Harris gives Taplow extra work to complete on the last day of the term, as he had got himself absent a day during the week. He is not a sadist. He would not be so frightening if he was, because at least it would show he had some feelings. He is young, well, and a good science teacher. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems disliking other people. Taplow does not like the habit of giving extra work by his teacher, but he has a feeling of respect for his teacher. Taplow does not leave the class without the permission of his teacher. Question second. Does Frank seem to encourage Taplow's comment on Crocker Harris? Answer, yes. Frank seems to encourage Taplow's comments on Crocker Harris. Frank is a person who incites Taplow's comments to speak unnecessarily about Crocker Harris. He also tells Taplow to speak the words again that Crocker Harris told him. He thinks Taplow should go far behind in his comments towards Crocker Harris. Question third. What do you gather about Crocker Harris from the play? Answer, Mr. Crocker Harris is middle-aged schoolmaster. He is man of principles. He gives punishment to the student for being absent in the class. He fulfills punishment by giving extra work to the student, but usually he gives what one deserves. He was strict so that students are afraid of him. Students have the feeling of respect for him, but his disciplinary attitude was not favorable for the children. Being an ideal teacher, he gives a good learning to the student. Question, talking about teachers among friends. Answer, generally it is noticed that the schoolmates talk about their school teachers among the group of friends. They talk about their attitude, way of teaching, strictness, punctuality, mastery in the subject, intelligence, etc. They discuss about their class discipline and teaching aptitude. In rural areas, some students have to work some household work for the schoolmasters. Many schoolmasters give the student a sure beating if they do not follow their commands. They are harshly beaten and tortured for not completing their homework in time given by them. Some schoolmasters try to keep the students in good faith so they do not complain to the principal. Some teachers compel the student to teach extra hour as a tuition in the school. They take extra fee from the student. These sort of teachers have a sense of business. They seem to fail to understand quietly their moral responsibility. It is not a favor of the student. One thing is clear, all teachers are not alike. Most of the teachers have firm faith in moral value. They are the good builders of our future, so good teachers are always entitled for the respects. Question, the manner you adapt when you talk about a teacher to other teachers. Answer, we talk about our teachers in a better manner. While we talk about to other teachers, we do not cross any limit. It is duty to every student to treat politely to their teachers. Students should never cultivate the habit of commenting on teachers. They should treat them like gurus. We also discuss their particular habits and beliefs. Sometimes school teachers have strange ill wills against each other, and their involvement among the students defames his spotless personality. Teachers should be like shiny stars for the student to show their right base in finding the goals. We should be polite while discussing about to the other teacher. Question. Reading plays is more interesting than studying science. Answer. Reading promotes a great interest in a student. Students get bored to study science. They do not show their interest in studying science. In the story, Frank did not show interest in science which is taught about. Taplow considers Agamemnon a muck. He does not feel all plays are muck. Reading plays to keep the reader spellbound. A person who reads plays seems enthralled. Thanks. Best of luck.